Hey guys, it's Glen. Welcome to my review of Zach Crawford's AI Cash Machine system. This is actually AI Cash Machines 2.0. So this is going to be my review, and I've got a really great bonus for you guys for this one. So if you don't know who Zach Crawford is, he's probably coached almost every single big affiliate marketer on the internet today. He's got tons of students have gone on to make their own programs, and he's kind of like the OG of the affiliate marketing niche and training. So when he puts a training together, it's completely comprehensive. Now, what's cool about this system is that he doesn't recommend even building a funnel if you don't want to. He recommends using community-based stuff for gathering your people into. So it's really non-techy. So basically you just point any traffic that he shows you exactly how to get at the products, and you'll be able to basically just convert that into commissions. Now, I promoted his first round of this, and I think I made over $56,000 in the course of about 3 months with it. I was promoting a few things, so I promoted this for a while. He actually changed the system, so I was promoting something else, and that took off. So I didn't go back to it until he revamped it and just launched it. Actually, today it's May 12th. Today is the day of the launch. All right, so let's get into it. Everything is delivered inside School, and School is it's a free platform for you to join to go get into these classrooms. So what will happen is you'll purchase it. It's only $27, and then you will get access to it. You'll get access to this, and so this is the course itself. So it goes full in depth. Module 1 basically explains everything to do, and like I said, you can set up your landing page if you want to. You can set it up with Standstore or Beacon. Those are both free. Or you can just be a pure affiliate and send it to your affiliate link. So Copy a Millionaire, he's made 10 million. Welcome to the shortcut. Use ChatGPT to create a brand name. He's got a content vault. You can use all his content. It shows you how to edit videos with CapCut and how to post your link and your CTA. The Poppy AI content engine, this is another ChatGPT he recommends using. I use ChatGPT. I have not checked out Poppy yet. I went through the training. It looks really interesting, but I haven't done it yet. And then you've got Instagram Mastery. So this is where his original program that I bought, which was called Passive Affiliate Profits, is where he taught me how to build my system. And you'll see me on the sales page that I literally did. I went to 100,000 followers in very, very short time, following his exact method. So he goes on through step by step. Every one of these is a video, guys, and he shows you exactly how to set it up, including setting up ManyChat, which is really this is the one that's going to really save you a lot of time. It's the automation. It shows you exactly how to use the automation, all that kind of stuff. 7-figure story, how to create your captions. He basically does everything for you. The bonuses that he's got in here are the $1 million AI prompt. So he's got a ChatGPT that is basically with his. He gives you all the prompts, so you could put that right into ChatGPT, so that it spits out really pointed content for affiliate marketing. He's got the 7-day fast start implementation plan. He's got the viral reel formula, commission multiplier strategy, which is about basically doubling up your offers, Copy a Millionaire content library, and the private group, which is the inside. Here is the private group, and there's very, very active guys in the community. Here is just a ton of 2.1 members in there, and then you can access to upgrade to some of these. I've got all his upgrades, so it's basically I pretty much have everything he's done. So basically, you really want to get started here. Now, are there any drawbacks with it? The one drawback I have with Zach is that he's a great coach. He gives everything. He really truly does. One drawback is he sometimes changes direction. So he'll be promoting what he'll not promoting, but he'll be creating one course, and then he's like, oh, I'm going to create this course over here. I think though with this launch, because he's come back to this, I think this is probably going to be the one he's going to stay with. He does have his MCS, which is his personal mastermind coaching. That's what I'm in, which if you can afford it, I highly recommend getting into that. It will definitely 10x you. It's the difference. It made all the difference to me in having everything happen. So the bonus I'm going to give to you is I actually have my own little school group, and I'm going to give you access to this, and you'll get some free courses I've put together in there that you can supplement. And that's what we talk about, doubling down on basically how you can make multiple money from a single referral. So that's basically what it is. So do I recommend it? I highly recommend it. Like, guys, I owe the original AI cash machines to my success. Well, the predecessor affiliate profits, passive affiliate profits into AI cash machine. Those are the two courses that really took my business from struggling for a couple of years. I struggled, and it just boosted me nonstop. And I can go pretty much promote any program now that I want to, and start making commissions from day one. But that's because, so for example, if Zach decided to just go, I'm done, I'm going to turn this off, I'm not going to promote it anymore, I could turn around and tomorrow find another offer and point all my traffic at that offer and have commissions made probably that first day, within a day or two, depending on the offer I choose. So go ahead, go grab it. Once you grab it, just message me in school and then say, hey, Glenn, I just got into AI cash machines, and I'll add you, because I have to add you through a backdoor in my school so that you don't have to pay for it. And go grab it. I'll put a link below, and go get in there, get started. And listen, like, it only works if you do the work. So you got to really, really, be committed to doing the work. And if you do the work, you will have huge success with this product. All right, guys, make sure you hit subscribe, thumbs up if you like it, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.